Kids should be short. Should be serious short. So out of my FRGT, but meantime this thing came back. Kids almost missed it by whisker. Jesus. I had a 760, and I missed it by a whisker. Where is our DOMH? 504, so that's fine. FRGT guys, every move dip is a long. For right now, it's gonna work. So one win is good. Just stay intact. Don't play one too many times. What else is going on? Can you check AKS if feeds are working okay?
Let me just log in. Yeah, I just got the notification.
Huge drop again. KIDZ. Look at that. KIDZ is continuing with what it did. But this FRGT, remember, we used to be a big fan of this. It sucked the blood out of us a few months ago. Remember, we used to be a big fan of this.
Yep, both are working good.
All right, good deal.
Loud and clear.
FRGT need to get paid around 750, 760. It did it nicely, but just missed it by whisker. FRGT, we've done good. It's a lot of volume. It's yesterday's game. SOPA, look at that. Yesterday, it held 155, 160. Today, down to 115. Trying to make a move again. I will share my charts from yesterday, guys. When I do a recap, a lot of interesting stuff yesterday. I don't think I've had 9 losses in 2 tickets in months. So that was terrible. But like I said, FRGT breakout candle is set for 2 million. It's set for.
Are you long on FRGT, right?
I'm thinking about it. I said that every dip would be a big 80 cents drop would be a long, and that's exactly what this is.
Oh.
It's I just missed it. I should have been long. I missed it.
And on kids, what's the entries?
850. 850 is the entry on kids.
850.
PLRZ. So SOPA is something that usually goes to 160, and 160 turns into short. But yesterday, it just kept doing a number on us. I mean, it dropped, but just to give us a cut, and then went up. So SOPA is a short only around 160s. We have experience with that one in the past. SOPA, I think SOPA is this bottom that it came up to 125. That's a long, FYI. You know, up to 158, 155, that's a long. Z car should move up one time and then fade again. BNBK, Nvidia. I don't know if you have taken profit, but I have taken profit on Nvidia. Just waiting for it to drop again. What is Para 20? Oh, never mind. It's SOPA. FRGT is trying to break. SOPA is trying. Kids is trying to come.
I was in early on that kids, 8:10.
Okay, you're fine. Just a smaller size, hopefully.
Yeah, just a 30% size on that.
Yeah. FRGT, unknowing. It's going to break off just like kids. That's exactly what this setup is. Same setup. Initially it's going to give you, and then it's going to start taking. But it will drop 60, 70 cents, just like kids did, you know. So be on the lookout. What we want is we want a major drop. And remember how it did that one candle, right? You guys remember that? How this thing would move on one candle, kids. So this would be mostly long, and then one candle move is going to be wicked. Look at that. Not tempting it anymore, guys. I am not into FRGT. FRGT probably will pay one more time as a short. But remember, they put it, oh my God, don't even remind me from kids from yesterday. Remember how we were sitting at 355 and then it would be boom, 93. In like one candle, like 10 seconds. 10 seconds. It would just take our stop loss. Very nice, Lynn. So kids is at 850 now. RSI all the way full. This FRGT, remember, big drop, long. That's how we're going to play this.
Just added 48.
Nice.
Average is 28 now.
There you go. It's coming down. You can cut it. So we have same average, 829.
You're in short.
Yeah, short.
Okay.
There is a big gap all the way up to 930. So just worried about a little, but should be okay. Especially small size should be okay. Still not relenting here.
So next ad would be right.
Right at 78. I still have games. 200K. And 780 is our profit area now. Before it was 760, now it's 780.
Come on, reclaiming.
Yeah, being a little stupid here. Should have just entered at 855. What is breaking out? ELAB. 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 47%. ELAB has run most of its game, right? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
It's not.
Oh no. ELAB. No.
40% all the way down.
Oh no. Oh. It's going in red. Oh my god, ELAB. What a miss on ELAB. Oh, what a miss, guys. What a miss.
Anything you got chased, right? No?
No, none whatsoever. I got the locates though.
Yeah, me too. Watch.
Oh my gosh. FRGT is looking where it would do the one candle trick. This morning, kids dropped to 640. and then senseless pike to 1030.
How did other members bid on the?
I think Louisa stayed with me. Um, Louisa, how much did you recover on those longs? Who else went long on kids late in the day, guys? Like after 4. I went long 3 times. Did really good stuff with it. How'd you guys recover?
I think I got around 40 cents,
Okay, just one time.
but it
40
wasn't a big size.
Ooh,
But it was around $400 recovery.
okay. No, but you didn't sell anything at 8. You got out at like 7:40, like you
Well,
said.
yeah,
7:20?
you weren't there, and I don't know how to read level 2.
Yeah.
So
No,
I
understand.
wasn't confident. I was afraid I was going to lose what I'd gotten back.
Got you. No, what happened was I had another Greg. He needed help with TradeZero, and then there was another member of ours needed help as well. So I was helping them on the phone call, but I was around, you know. Where's my Reddit? Reddit is I'm short on Reddit from 142 yesterday. One of my rare earnings, obviously when I was around. I'm gonna take Reddit 400 RDDT. What? I'm gonna take 350 out. And look at FRGT trying to break. We should have been long in that one, guys, honestly. But it's gonna slam a few times before it runs. Could have been a seriously sweet long. 318 to 345. Here comes another dip. It's going to do this exactly. It's a repeat pattern of kids. But 70 to 80 cents drop, and this was one. From 380 to 290, that was one. That's exactly what is long on FRGT. You know? That's exactly what is long. But we missed on this long. And long is still RSI, double RSI. Then it would drop another 70 cents. So it's not like long is safe. unless you get the absolute bottom. It's your size on kids, AKS. Keep your size under control.
But it did not feel me.
Good morning, Raj and all.
Hey, good morning, buddy. How did you do, Rahul, yesterday? You came back pretty strong, right?
Not pretty strong actually, but I'm okay. I was okay.
You were okay.
I didn't lose much.
Yeah. Were you in positive or did you end up in red yesterday?
Not red, just flat.
Flat. Okay. Yeah, you missed out a couple of times on those Z-car.
Z-car, yeah, Z-car.
Yeah,
Z-car I missed that.
Yeah, Z-car got under 10.
Right. Two times I missed that.
Mm-hmm.
You able to cut the size, Raj?
Yeah, I was. I was able to cut it at 35. That's what, oh, not Z-car, what am I doing? Kids, KDZ. Whoops, KDZ. KIDZ. So, plus I have an average of, what is my average? 42.
You added 65s.
So yeah, 55s, say 55. At 828 before, so got it to 50. I had 29, got it to 42. Cut it at 35, balanced it out.
Good morning, Raj.
Good morning, buddy. How you doing?
I'm pretty good. Heading to work meeting this morning.
Yeah. Just a slow morning. Just one good play out of FRGT. Waiting on the kids. Yesterday was a lot of drama with kids and Z-car. Look at where Z-car is. Stupid thing. Reddit. I'm short on Reddit. I have still 150 shares on Reddit, which is exactly that and $1,800 more. I gotta make another $2,000 from Reddit. I went short at Reddit at 140. Wait a second, my average was 142. How is it telling me my average is 138? Are you serious? The TradeZero just screwed it up. After I cut some size, it tells me my average is 138. Here's my chart from yesterday. This is just nuts. My average is freaking, I mean, it's still I'm 9% in money. This is dumb. Okay, May 1st, right? Yeah, here we go, Reddit. Z1. See? I'm at 142 average yesterday. 140 rather. It's telling me like my average is 138, but anyway, 9-10% in money. So that was my second earning play this season, at least a clean one. There's been stupid ones. Oh, I didn't send that one. No, it says freaking para 20 and what? IVF. IVF. Wow, IVF, guys. It's getting into the short area. IVF 230, come on. Oh, IVF. We shorted a couple days ago. No, 278. Minimum needed, 245. IVF goes up, comes down, guys. Goes
It's
up,
a new
comes
stock.
down. I know. Is it? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Forget that. No. Forget it. Forget it.
It's only 16-20% up though.
Yeah, what's going on with FRGT chart now, all of a sudden? How come we have traded this IVF? 243 was the number, just what it was. That was the rejection number. That was the rejection number, guys. FRGT is going to move up. Too many people behind it. Too much volume. Dips or long. IVF. Now it's going to go in red. Yeah, it's an absolutely new stock. 278. I don't know why I have a mark. I thought today I would start a little bit early and get some money. And it seems that there's hardly any plays. But nice short on FRGT from 330 to 290. That was good. IVF would have paid. And we have traded IVF, by the way. We did trade it. Look at that, 190. It's just going in red. You chased it, you made money.
That was one a couple of days ago, I think, but we couldn't trade it, most of us, because Trade Zero didn't have any locates.
Was it?
Is that right? AKS?
Yep. Did not trade. I think you got some.
Okay. Well, there's my 10% being patient and patient and patient on come on, dude. There's 825. AKS.
Yep, cut the size on there now.
Wow, IVF is just going down and down and down. Well, Reddit shot up yesterday's earnings like crazy, right? Um, Elab, what a miss that was, guys. That was humongous. And Elab, last few times, it just goes up and gives you that much, you know? Crazy numbers. Would have been 40%, 30% drop. Couple of good plays and decent in money. FRGT, I'm just waiting for a nice dip. See if I can get like 280 area to go long at.
FRGD has a news, right?
What did I say? Just said.
Oh no, that's on the 4:30, not.
Huh? No, it's the same news. It's a Trump news. It's a long. It's very similar to KIDZ. KIDZ, what, 400 million building by whatever that was, right?
FRGT 20 million to create official Trump token.
Exactly. That's what that BS is. I mean, everything is a BS. But having said that, it's the same pattern as kids from yesterday. Same volume. So every dip would be a long. Every big high, every time it would do like a huge high and you see a wick and tail, it's going to drop 70 cents. That's what's happening with FRGT as of now. It'll put you to sleep. It would not give you profit. Then boom. You remember? If you guys don't remember, let me show it to you. Let me remind it to you guys. Kids. Looks familiar over here? Looks familiar, these booms right here? Look at the boom right here. You see this? We're shorting, we're dull, right? Are you guys watching? Watch the YouTube screen over here. Okay? Short, we make your money. First couple of times make money. Then you get in, it's dull. It's like, wow, okay, then it's going to sell big. Goes up, halts, goes up. You got to take a massive loss. You get back in. It's dull, it's good. It's going to drop back, right? Below 265, 255. Boom, $3. It just would shoot up. Out of nowhere, those candles would come back to back, two candles from nowhere. It would come. How many times did it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, guys. 7 times it did it. Incredibly, 7 times. This kids would just shoot up. But you know what? Then we got smarter. It took us 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. After 4 losses, we got smarter. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. And then we got smarter. One was a bailout. One was like, which one was it? Yeah, this one. First I made profit on it, and then I had to sell it at the bottom. But that was a bad move because I could have stayed long and this thing would have been here. But that's not how it works. It was way down. You know, we had to keep it our percentage, guys. But if you check out your screen, this is our fortune turned right around 3 o'clock when we started going long. Okay, this was a massive $1. You know, then made some money here, added, bottom. Then we were just going long. Finally did one short from 840, 850 to 790. Waited very patiently at the end to get it. But crazy stock. At the end, the result was I went home positive with 22%. But I had to do like 17 or whatever. 17 plays to do that. That's just incredible. I mean, people give up right here. We kept at it, kept reading wherever the consolidation was, drop was. That. Then finally we got smart at 3 o'clock. And that was the best thing we did. Remember, we went long right around 4:30. That was the first time. If you watch the room's conversation in Discord, it'll tell you that. It was crazy stuff, guys. It'll put you to sleep and then boom. Right now it's calm, just like kids. Kids is actually in a prize area. Kids actually is in a prize area, guys. It's at 790. Just moved up from 790. Yesterday evening, they would not break the 780. Many times. They would not break that number. So I remember that number. Now, of course, they finished at 790 at the end of the evening. I just showed it to you from 850. 855. And that's why we were trying to trade it 855, but we were in a little bit early. 829, I was a little bit early. But then I made my average to 842, so it's all good as well. BHAT. That's a name I've not heard in over a year. Just like Z-Car. BHAT. What? Up and down? BHAT? BHAT just came and down, went down in a hurry. In red. This FRGT is not going to give you profit, guys, on the short side. Not for a while. Look, kids is back at 840. Stupid thing. It's not going to bother me. I should have been long on FRGT on that dip because that is the dip. Z-Car coming down still. Where's the bounce on Z-Car? I want Z-Car for day 2. So guys, RSLS, if you're into RSLS, it's moving. I don't know how many people are holding RSLS. Is anybody in RSLS?
Yes.
What's your
Is
average?
it? I don't know. I'll have to look. Let's see.
It just went to 44. Probably has a move here today, which looks good.
Okay. Yeah. I'm at 37.
Okay. Nice, very nice.
Thanks.
Yeah, that's what it should be. Actually, average should be around 34, 35. If you bought like 26s. 44 it is right now. Should go up, double it up. Go into the 60s. It didn't run last time, but should run today. I got plenty of size in there. RSLS. Let's go, baby.
RSLS.
Get over 50. Yes, keep going. Last time, just a couple days ago, it tried to move and it just couldn't move. We missed out a great opportunity of a long on FRGT right at $3. That's twice. I've been saying this since morning and I'm missing out. It just, you need that like extra special risk taking. I mean, I'm a good risk taker, but twice I've not taken it. Look at that. Look at that. Twice I could have gone long right here. Opportunity, look at that, 65. I've said that it's a duplicate of kid. It's a duplicate of kids. Absolutely duplicate. FRGT is kids part 2. And we're gonna miss out some serious long on here. It just created a new high of the day. Look at that 1 million volume candle, dude. That is nasty good. Nobody's long, right? I mean, I did all the commentary for nothing. Saying it's long, it's long, it's long. It's only one time we're gonna get short. And guess what? We're not making any money. Would have made 25%. Would have made 25%. We are happy with 10%. Would have made another 25%. That would have been sweet. Oh boy. Now we're going to be challenged. We're going to be challenged. Big time challenged.
FRGT.
Yeah, we know. Guys, KIDZ, just bail out for now. Bail out for now, guys. Whatever size you got left, bail out. Wow, FRGT, man. Where's the numbers on FRGT from here? Wow, 540, guys. It breaks 420. This is 540. This is 540. FRGT is going to be 540. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am out. Completely out of KIDZ. For now. I mean, the locates, it's good to have the locates all day. Here comes a nice drop. Probably another big drop. 50 cents, 60 cents. Remember, it's a part two. It's a part two. I'm going to be looking for a lot of longs, and then occasionally when it hits like the big numbers, like $1 move, 70 cents drop. That's exactly how kids did it.
Are you going short into FRGT?
No, not now.
Okay.
Not now. Look for a first long position, couple of long positions. That's what we need to do. We need to look for a couple of long positions on that. Should drop back to 310, 290. It's not so clean. How far? So just like, we don't know how far the long is going to go. We know how far the long is going to go. We just don't know how far the shorts are going to go. Kids had the same problem. We didn't know how far the shorts would go because it wouldn't pay us. From the middle, it wouldn't pay us. So when it gets into the middle, it's definitely not short. Like, how do you know 383? Because of the previous, you could actually do it. It goes a little bit higher than the previous high. Let's go RSLS today, man. I want RSLS to shoot to the moon. It's trying. I think this is a fair value gap. You haven't sold any, right? Louisa, hopefully you haven't sold anything on RSLS. I guess you have RSLS too, right? Everybody should have RSLS, guys.
No.
You don't have it? You haven't sold it?
Oh, no, I haven't sold it.
Okay, good. Well, you've been patient long enough. Be patient, be patient with it.
Set something at 50.
60s, 50s, high 50s.
Okay.
You want to make at least 50 to 60%.
Okay.
Yeah, patience needs to be rewarded. Kids is going to drop, but I'm not trusting it. Kids is going to drop. Today, they're going to get smoked down to 6.5. Just felt uncomfortable right now. Not that it was doing anything. Because the RSI did all the way to the bottom at 790, and that made me feel uncomfortable. Because all it needs is a couple of moves, giant moves, and it could be like a killer. What do I need? I need one more. Here we go. I gotta get this going. Yeah, according to my buy and sell alert on TradingView, it says that kids is a long, but I don't think so. I don't think so. What am I supposed to look at? FRGT. Yeah, FRGT says it was a buy at 320. Still says it's a buy at 320. There's 50 coming on our SLS. Let's go, baby. RSLS is going to be the game today. Big game. Big monster game. And don't sell it all, Louisa. Only sell like 40%. because you're going to see 70s and 80s on RSLS within a day, if not today. I'm hoping it would be today. I'm hoping it would be today, guys. RSLS, let's go. It's already 33% up. And if it doesn't run today, we're going to wait for it again. There's 51. So I just created that channel. We'll put trade ideas and AI alerts in that channel, guys. Kids, I knew this one. You're going to fail it big time, right? Of course I knew it. There's a huge move. I have 33 average and I have 29,800 shares on RSLS. It's going to be a massive day here. All the drama from yesterday is going to be, I mean, I made good money yesterday too, so I'm not complaining. Guys, I'm about to go long on RSLS. I just built in a small position. RSI is down here. I know it's not 849, so probably not the best time, but there's 55, Louisa. So if you have a 37 average, you're 40% in money. 40% in money. And I have taken 17,000 shares out. 17,000 shares out, Louisa, at 55. And RSLS is going to be a game today, guys. Absolute game. I still have huge money to make. RSLS. I told you guys it's going to be a game. Look for 70s on RSLS. I might even add on a dip. I might even lower my average. If I see great move, this is a continuation. It's all buy, guys. 2 million, 2 million, 2 million. It's a 58 from 33. You know what? It's almost doubled. It's almost doubled on RSLS. That's why we buy the swing longs, guys. It was just 3-4 days ago. 3-4 days ago. I don't know where AKS is. AKS should be counting his money right now. I know, right? It hit 58. Now you wish you had more. Fantastic trade. Wow. It just about doubled. It's like 87%. 87%. Nvidia is rocking as well, guys. Nvidia is rocking as well. Look at Nvidia, 12.5%, 13%.
So for GT, are you long, Raj?
FRGT, I am long. I just said that I took a small position long, not a big one. I locked in 3,000 shares at $3. $3.17, whatever it was. RSLS, these are just dips. These are just dips.
RSLS.
I will buy 45, 47 on RSLS, 48. Even if it lowers my average, I'm more than happy. RSLS is headed towards 70s, 0.70s. You don't think it is going 100%? You bet you it's going 100%. RSLS. RSLS is going 70s. You betcha. Every dip, I said that it is going. Look at that. It's 60, 60. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That is 90%, 93%. RSLS. Keep going, baby. I have tons of money to make here. Remember when RSLS was at 42, right? When we started talking about it. RSLS was at 42. Z car at 850. Goodness me. Good morning. Actually, it's been a good morning. Just a couple of, we missed out on FRGT huge long, but we made short. Kids is just hanging around 830, bailed out. RSLS is in serious money, headed towards 17. I still have 14,800 shares left. Every 10 cents is 1,500 bucks. How far will it go? We'll find out. 62. Louisa, are you happy here? You should be happy. Buy the dip on it. Today is the day when RSLS is going to move. It tried the other day, it did not move, but today it's going to move. Today it's going to move. I'm going to buy the dip because I sold 55, I sold 60. I wish I had bought that 50 dip when it went to 49, but obviously I couldn't. It was too quick. So I'm looking to buy a dip on RSLS. I need a dip of 11 to 12 cents. I need about 12 cents, but if it gets to 17, then I need 15 cents. Right here, I need 10 cents, 10 to 12 cents dip. I'll buy it. And I won't buy the same size, guys, okay? There's no way I'm buying, 30,000 shares. I'm just buying 5,000, 4,000 shares because I'm buying at a much higher price, I bought it from 33, I sold it. So why am I going to buy same sizes, right? It would be stupid. Here comes a 6 cents drop, a little bit more, and I would be in. Let's get in at least 1,000 shares. Come on down a little more, boy. 4 more cents. Yes, there you go. That's a 9 cents drop. Bought about 1,000 shares, and I'll buy about 4,000 more shares at 48, 47. Let's do that. It's gonna move my average. Now my average just moved to 36. Wow. And I can leave my RSLS again, but these are smaller numbers. I'll buy big numbers at 30 again and leave it. RSLS should move. It should not fail. This is just expected. I expected this to drop. That's what it does. But now it also gets into the dangerous territory, guys. You know what? I would not add. I would not add 48. I think I'm okay with the 36 average. I'll just keep my 36 average. 15,900 shares, that's fine. I might regret it when it's at 80. I might say, what the heck? Why did I not add? But I got plenty of size. So FRGT long, let's see what it does. It went to 30 just now, 35. It went to 35. And then Now it's going to be like this for a while. So RSLS was super good. Something is making me lose money. What is it? DOMH. Where's DOMH? 24%. Wolf this morning was over 4, but no profit there either. OPTX is flat. 666. Wow. FRGT dropped pretty nice there. Wasn't liking that. Jesus. 9 o'clock. Now I'm gonna regret RSLS at 70 cents. I'm gonna say, why did I not buy that? I read it perfectly. I read the 10 cents dip, 12 cents dip. RSLS is back at 60. Can RSLS go to the moon? DTCK. All right, guys. I think it's 9:04. Just a couple of long positions in FRGT and RSLS. From RSLS is a swing. FRGT is from this morning. So let's see what we do with FRGT long. I build out of kids. Kids is a short, out and out short. But they have probably one move. I don't know. 855 is the number where they should fail. But we'll check it out. We'll check it out. Should go back to like 640, 630, 640. I'll do a recap in a little bit. I'm trying to set it up where I can do the recap. Yesterday was a crazy day. Monstrous day, actually. Stupid, monstrous day. In a bad way. Okay, let's get it going. All right, guys. Brace yourself. This is a... all the charts from yesterday. There we go. Again, guys, if you want to join HammerXTraders, head to our website. You'll get plays like RSLS, which is massive, guys, from 33 cents to 60 cents, and it's still looking 70 cents is coming on RSLS, okay? RSLS. There's a free trial. You guys can log in, whatever. You can see there's a couple of swings like NVIDIA. I am out of KIDZ. As you guys can see, I decided to take our money, run with it. That's a recap for you right there. It's at 865 right now. Good thing. RSLS, you can see that. It's big mover, huge mover. FRGT, long, DOMH. That's 25%. Anyway, lots of good stuff for us today. So you definitely are in the best room that you can be. Actually, you are. Okay. And this is going to be an example. Yesterday was a torturous 3 hours or 2 hours. Just before market open and all the way till 11. It was torturous. It was torturous. But we still survived. Some of us did go home in red, but we still came back strong. Look at ABVE, short. Again, these are in alphabetical order. Came toward the end, made our money right away, whatever, right? You take it at 275, you sell it at 240, just above 244. You make your 15%, you're done. A deal was another one, added, just got out, didn't look good, just left it. Average was somewhere around 118, 117. This was after hour. So I played after hour. I don't play after hour, but I was just gung-ho about that play, kids long. So because of that, I had to take all these plays. Look at another one. ATNF gave 10%, and then I'm holding this one. You know where it is right now? It's 120. So I'm actually winning on this one, but I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it on ATNF. You know, it's at 125 right now, and I have an average of 133. So I'm gonna hold till it pays me at 114 and 115, or 118 rather. I'll take it. Meantime, FRGT is 8% in money. 8% in money. Go log it in. I just told you guys I'm long, right? Here, let me post it to you in the room so you guys will know. I am long, and I am this much in money. $2,000 in money, all right, on FRGT. 17 average, 10,000 shares. Anyway, coming back to what I was doing over here. So ATNF, late in the day paid, right? And it's still holding. It's at 125. I need 118. DRCT was one of the more fabulous one. Went 25%, but we made about 17%. Very good size. Very, very good size on DRCT. Came right at the noon. It was perfect timing. It couldn't have been more perfect timing because we were struggling. We were struggling with KIDZ, and we were struggling with Zcar was starting to pay by then. Zcar was not an issue. But kids was mentally torture from 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock. It was a torture. This was another one that came absolutely at the afternoon. Perfect timing. Not a good size though, because I just couldn't get much size in here. I was looking at 120s, but whatever size it was, dropped 19% on us. 30% where this is, but this is where we made our money. 19%, okay? in accumulation, it's 19%. Foxo. Take a look. This was the brutal play. So gave us a couple of 10%er, then took like almost 20%. This is like crazy right here. So we go in short again, thinking this is the area. This is beautiful, 365. It's ditching with these candles. It's gonna fall, making us fall asleep. We don't take profit. This is 8% in profit. We don't take profit. Bang, goes against us. Full size, bang against us. So these are like small size wins, half size win. And then when you get in here, whoa. Then you get in here, full size, whoa. I mean, this is dull. So good part was this one didn't load us. I mean, it was pretty good size, 50% size. And it just killed it. But loss was huge. I mean, it just went halt open, another one, whatever. Full size, boom, loss. We're thinking again, weak, looking at this over here, all red. This is gonna drop. This is gonna drop over here, right? Dull, 6% in profit. You don't take 6% profit. You're like, nah, minimum 12%, right? You're a gangster. You watch, and then all of a sudden, you add, cut, and then finally you would, what? So you get in here, you add here, you cut, you add, you cut. These are like not profit, just a size cut. Maybe 2%, 1%, whatever, right? And then bang, it just takes you out as a stop. Lucky that it didn't bail out over here, just, when it started to come, and then you saw this at 11. Like I said, it was brutal between 10 and 2. So then we decide to go long, okay? So it goes to 425. I mean, I have a 385 something average, 425. Take half of my size out. Boom, half of his is lower at 360, man, 355. It went to 425, and in one candle, it was malicious. It just dropped. So half of it on the long, I won half. So it's like more like a bailout, whatever. Then we think, okay, so this is dropping so big, so let's go short, right? So you make money. So that was a nice one. It gave me 10% back. Then there was another one that gave me like something like 8-9%. Then some size left. We always leave some size for more. So comes up, we add, this is cut, kind of bailout, right? Then we go short again. It's like thinking, wow, this is a perfect area. Look at this, guys. It's 445 area. It's going to just be bang on, right? 445. We're thinking it's going to be bang on right here, right? This area. Bang, bang, bang. Unbelievable. Okay. Then we try a little long as it's kind of edgy, like, okay, fine, just bail out. So this is like a bailout right here. Okay, there was a bailout right here. Go short one time and say, okay, let's try to do this 5, see what happens. So it gave us money right at 5. Then we go short. I mean, this is a cover of this. So we go short again one more time. Then we said, nah, we're going to bail out. And we bailed out right at our average. And we said, we're going to go long. We just see this volume coming in one more time. And this is closed. And it was 250 million. From there, rest was just, script was written for us. Okay, long. Make almost $1. Long. Little gains here, but then this was the best one. This was another 70 cents. You don't realize this. This is big. Then you go here, and this was the best of the loss. This was like $1, 80 cents, and then bang, this was $1.20 more. So this is like 640, I believe, and this is 820. Okay, this is somewhere around $7, and then this is at 820 right here. This was 840, and then at the end decided, let's see, it's getting stuck here, maybe they'll sell it off, or like at the RSI at the peak, got in at 840, and then finally just 790, just close it out. I was working on my charts and some other emails and whatnot. All that drama all I did was 22% gain, but this was so brutal from 10 o'clock to almost 1, 2 o'clock. It was just, wow. And I don't think we have had entire year, we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was a minor loss. So 5 losses, 4 losses. If that wasn't good enough, okay, this one was toward the close. The news was that the DOJ is investigating. All we did was just bail out, bail out, bail out. Eventually we just bailed out for no loss, no gain. And the stock, I don't know where it is. So SOPA is, again, SOPA is one of my stocks that I know it too well. You go long at 110 and you sell it at 160. Okay, that is, and I wish I had held my SOPA for that long. Okay, and I am long again in SOPAs, by the way, just so you know, I'm holding my position. So like, let's just take it out. Okay, so I go short, and then boy, we have to hurriedly. I mean, this was like 145, 148. I started, then I have to add 164, the 174, and when it drops, obviously it was in a little bit of money, like 6%, but it was irritating. I was like exhausted, and you get irritated and exhausted, you know, by what was happening with KIDZ, the longs, right? The whole day was just waste. So then it goes back to 170. You start building this area, 180. I'm like, whatever. And then finally you get paid at 150. So the 25% long did help. So another 20% got added, about 10% here and about 12% here. So it was pretty good. I was just looking at RSLS because I had some buys, and I did buy. My average is now 48 now, guys. I'm back with 20,000 shares in RSLS, but my average is 48 now. RDDT, earnings play. Okay, so I held this one and I closed it this morning for 10% gain. Okay, I wanted my 10%, I got my 10%, 10.5%. I should have covered over here, but I didn't see it. So I saw it when it was here, and then after that I've just held. And this morning I did it for 10% already, RDDT, right? It's a 123. You can see it, it's right here. I've already taken my profit right at 124. So this morning I made my Reddit earnings. Let's see the next one. Oh yeah, look at this one. Oh my gosh. If we thought KIDZ was badass, look at this one. We get in at 740, make our average, cut, make a little bit profit. So first we take a loss, okay, whatever. So we add, and then we have to get out. And it's just too volatile. At like 890 was like a loss area. It's like, whatever, we're gonna lose it, right? So we lost. Then we come back in at 970, and then we make money all the way till 860. So flat over here, like loss and then make money. We get in, little money here, there, little money here, there. Lots going on, and then we take another loss because we are in at 9, and now the stock is at 10 plus. So I take another loss, but it's more like a size loss, size cut loss. Add, take another freaking loss. Then again, another short at 13, size cut. Add more. Take a little profit here. So this was good. This was 1460 all the way down to 12. I believe it was 1280. It was like a $2 gain. So that was a good one. So I'm balanced out over here, not too much up and down. Then I take another loss here. Add right in this area because I've sold it, so I got to add. Same areas, size cut. So it's not a big loss though. So compared to kids, this was not a big loss because I was able to add and cut. And then finally, I got paid right here really good. I kind of missed the entry here, but I got really good pay from 1570 all the way down to 1340. So that was a good payout. Then I went short again and I got stopped out. And then this was from here. I had a great time. I had a great time from 1560. I realized that now things at the bottom are gone, disappeared right here, disappeared. So then every pike, whenever they did pike on no volume, you know what that means. Just go in, make your money. Go make your money. And from here, it was really good. I mean, take a look. This was massive. This was massive, massive, massive. So this one actually ended up paying almost 60% plus this Z-car. So Z-car was okay, even with the stop losses, because it was paying as good, right? So that was it, guys. Meantime, I am 18% in money on, let me show you. I added more on and have my average to 48 now. So RSLS. So I'm gonna go ahead, take about 8,000 shares out. Let's see. There we go, 57. Come on. Oh, hit it.
PLRZ.
Come on, dude. What's wrong with you? It's not filling it. Okay, got it done. 57. So this has been a super money maker. Now I'm again back to 9,000 shares. And I started with 33. Now the average is 48. I have still 8,900 shares left in it. Let's see how we do this. I've taken a lot of profit on it. Having said that, where am I? Here we go. So RSLS is good, 9,000 shares left. I've taken profit on FRGT also. I have, but I still have good 5,000 shares in FRGT still. Let's look for something more out of that one. Reddit is 12% in money. Let's see if I can get 114 or 115 on Reddit. That would be really nice, guys. Anyway, it's almost 9:25. I haven't taken any break. I will see you guys tomorrow. Again, if you want to join our channel, head over to our website or any of our social media platform, or you can simply join in right there. Head over to our website, or you can just simply come in and check us out how we did this pre-market. You don't want to know, I'm very substantially up this morning, very substantially, thanks to RSLS and short and long on FRGT. There was another short, there's two more shorts, so it's like one swing. Reddit was another one. Reddit had a pretty good size. I had almost 400 shares to start with. Now I'm down to 100 shares on Reddit. I still have 100 shares. 100 shares is still means almost $1,600, which is not bad, right? So you have $12,000 invested, and you are making 1,600 on a 12,000. So that's pretty good. That's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for liking, and talk to you guys later. Oh, where's my live? I know TikTok would have stopped out, right? Yeah, TikTok did stop out. TikTok is just 1 hour timer. I don't even pay attention to all these things, guys.